In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down, then tap on system and updates. Now select simple mode available here and choose enable. As you can see, after a few seconds, easy mode is on. To switch it off, hit settings again and use this button at the bottom in the middle called exit simple mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!